everyone, in this video I'll be talking about 3 ways that you can make money on YouTube with only your iPhone. So the first way is with ads. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to get your channel completely ready, and then once you've done that, then you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time specifically in the last 12 months so that you can monetize your channel on YouTube. The third step is that you need to actually enable your channel for monetization. It's not enough to simply get those subscribers and those watch hours, but you have to actually enable the channel. And then after that, step 4 is you've got to create an ADSENSE account. And once you've done that, you've got to connect that ADSENSE account to your YouTube channel so that when it is monetized, you can make money off those ads. Step number 5, and the last step, is that you need to make videos consistently on your channel. And if you do that, then you'll have each new video working for you and making money each and every day as people view it and watch ads on those videos. The second way is with affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what that is, that's where you partnered with a company like Amazon. And then Amazon generates a link for something that you're using in your video, and you put that link in the description area underneath your video, and then when somebody clicks on the link, it takes them to Amazon featuring that product. And if they buy that product, then you as the creator receive a small commission. And if they buy anything else during that shopping session, you also receive a commission, even if it was a different item. The benefit of using affiliate links is that not only does it help your viewers find the product that's in your video, but it's also a great way to make some money. And it doesn't cost your viewers anything extra because Amazon is the one that pays the commission as kind of a thank you for you directing traffic to their website. So this is a great way to make money on the things that are in the background of your video, or things that you are actually reviewing in your video, or things that, for example, that you wear, like clothing that you wear. You can put links in the description below, and if somebody buys that product, then you make a little extra money. The third way that you can make money is with brand sponsorships. Now, if you don't know what that is, that's where you have aligned with a particular brand and you promote that brand on your channel. So not only the brand gets advertising space, but you get some extra money. Now, it's pretty easy to get a brand sponsorship. All you need to do is find a particular brand's contact information. And once you find that, then all you have to do is craft a compelling proposal as to why the brand should want to work with you. And the way you do this is find a brand that you actually like in real life, something that you genuinely use and can be authentic in promoting on your channel. And when you do that, then you set up a beneficial relationship from the start with the brand, and that way the brand is getting great advertising and you're making money because the brand wants to work with you. All right, guys, I'm super excited to announce that this is a collaboration video. And so I'm gonna turn the conversation over to my friend Tyler, who actually has made money online with only his iPhone.
Hey Adam, thanks for having me on your channel. And today I'm gonna focus mainly on one of my favorite ways to make money on YouTube. And it's a lot of people's least favorite way, and that's Google Ads. And I'm going to talk about why I like it, and that is because you can monetize literally anything. Not anything, but like your hobby. Any hobby you have that you like doing, you can monetize it. And the reason for that is because, like, say for example, for me, I make goldfish videos with my phone. That's why I'm in this video. But I make goldfish videos and I make educational videos on how to take care of them and tips and advice and things like that. So not a lot of people keep goldfish. I mean, a lot of people do, but not a lot of people, like in my immediate friend group or like at work or, you know, school or wherever you're going. I don't know a whole lot of people personally who just keep goldfish as a hobby. So that's why you go online to YouTube, things like that. People want to interact with people who keep goldfish, you know, that's why they go to Facebook pages, Instagram pages, things like that. So your goal to make money with ads is to be that place where people go to interact with people. You don't have to be like a genius. You don't have to be the best at anything. You just got to create a community, basically. And that's the great thing about, you know, Google Ads. You're just sharing your hobby and interests that you have, and you're making money off of it. So I do it because it lets me. I use it towards savings, and it also lets me pay for my hobbyists as well. And my wife won't get mad at me for spending too much money because it just comes from YouTube. But yeah, so that's why ads are my favorite way to make money. So when you're trying to make money with ads, subscribers should be the last concern. You want people to like you. You want people to enjoy coming to your channel. You know, you just want to be yourself. And if you be yourself, there's 10,000 other people out there who are just like you and have the same views, experience levels with whatever hobby you're doing. So just be yourself. Don't go crazy. Don't you're gonna see people who are like too enthusiastic or something on YouTube. Don't do that. Just be yourself. It doesn't matter, because not everybody wants their content the same way. So make your content with your channel. And like, for example, I break a lot of rules. I make 3-minute videos. Usually people are like, oh, you need to make 10-minute videos so you make more money with ads. Not if people don't keep clicking your videos. So, people keep clicking my videos, so I keep making money with 3-minute videos. But let me check my notes here, see what else I want to say. Yeah, and another thing, make sure when you're starting out, you figure out your channel. Like, it doesn't have to be like, I don't know. It doesn't have to be what you want at first. If you change your mind and you want to switch up to go to something else, like for example, my channel started out as like just an aquarium fish channel, right? I would just basically make videos of a bunch of different fish. Well, I eventually gravitated to just goldfish, and the reason I did that is because like I tried to make my videos more zen-like and calm, and like, oh, there's my dog. More zen-like and calm. So like my goldfish are in like a blacked out aquarium, and it's just them in there, and with my voice as well, I try to make it a calm zen type vibe. So you're gonna have ideas. That's how I did my channel. I'm just giving you insight on how my mind kind of works, and I'm growing faster than I ever have when I first started out. So I'm averaging like 180, maybe 160 subscribers, somewhere in there a month. But that shouldn't be your main concern. You just want to do what you like to do, and people will subscribe and they'll enjoy your content. And if you're not liking it, people aren't gonna like it either. So that's my main advice. Anyways, guys, thanks for having me on your channel, Adam, and I hope we can make more videos together. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Toodaloo.